Hi guys, my name is Preschool Learning. Are you ready? Looks great. Okay, let's go. Blue marker pen, black marker pen, green marker pen, brown marker pen, yellow marker pen, pink marker pen, pink marker pen, orange marker pen, purple marker pen, red marker pen. I like painting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! Let's put everything back when we're done. Let's start. Congratulations! Blue marker pen. I like painting. It looks great. Wow! Pink marker pen. Wow! It looks great. Yellow marker pen. I love pencil. Red marker pen. For pencils. Brown marker pen. Green marker pen. I love to paint. I love to paint. Wow! Green marker pen. Great. Red marker pen. Wow! I love to paint. Brown marker pen. I like painting. Pink marker pen. Yes. Great. Congratulations. Looks great.